Hey up everybody, it's Damp Sam. This is a job that we did last week. Sorted it all inside out. When I come to do a survey a couple of months ago, the gutter were leaking. So they've had all gutter replaced, all the way around, all brand new gutter. And I've come to do pointing up on oils, and I've noticed this green algae on brickworks still wet and still fresh. So I'm like wondering what issue was, and I'm thinking initially what gutter that were leaking, and then I'm thinking these plastic sills that's on here, we know that water runs off them and then down wall, but then I'm looking at this gutter, and as I'm looking up, so we can see that we've got green algae there with rainwater splashing back off at path onto wall. And then if I look up, so there just above window, we can see some green algae that runs up, and then it's just below sill. And then if you come, when we come here, if we look straight up, I don't know if you can see it, but there's daylight with tiles overhang. There's two holes just where joint is on gutter. With tiles are broke, and it looks like rainwater's running through there and dropping onto the sill and then running down wall, because there's no algae on actual. Oh, right, so I can open it up. You see it now. There, so you've got two holes there where rainwater's coming. It absolutely banged it down last night, and that's why it's fresh on here. So what we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to wait while it dries, and then we'll come and we'll clean that algae off, and then I'm going to storm dry on outside of here. Probably tell them that it needs repointing, and then get it storm dried. I can't leave it like that, so we'll get that sorted out. But I just thought it'd be interesting that on initial survey, like I said, gutter were all leaking, gutter were all knackered, and they've replaced that. And then when we've looked up, we see that issue with tiles, building detail. So we're not one of these jobs where when we've done, that's it, we're off. If I come back and I see something that I think needs doing, then we'll come and we'll address it, because it's just having integrity. So I just thought it'd be interesting. Anybody needs any damp work doing, get in touch. All dry damp proofing, Damp Sam. See you later.